you create login form using MVC architecture. So first of all, I have already created one database. In this database I am creating one table name is login. In this table I take two field. Now in show table data we have to add one username and password. So I use username is Amit and password is Noble. Now we have to add here, add ASP.NET folder. Again right click here, add ASP.NET folder, and we have to use app code folder. In app code folder we have class file. So for getting one class file,
this is for business access layer. So I am BAL using name BAL check, add. Now I have one other. This is for data access layer, so I am using DAL check. Now in BAL check I remove this, and I have to write here public void function name ch, and I am using here two variables, string a comma string b. Now I copy this code and I paste this code in DAL chat. So I am creating one method. Now from this default.aspx, this is known as. Now click on button. Now currently we are on presentation layer. Here we have to create one object for business access layer. So our business access layer file name is BAL chat. BAL chat BC is equal to new BAL chat. I am creating one object. Now BC dot, in this list you are getting this method name which is you created in BAL. So I am creating this chat ch. So I select this, and here we have to pass two variable, means textbox 1 I am using T1. My textbox name is T1 and T2, so I use T1.text and T2.text. Now this T1 T2 value I am getting in BAL chat. In string A I am getting T1 value, in string B I am getting T2 value. So here now I am creating one object for DAL chat. DAL chat DC is equal to new DAL chat DC dot ch, and here I am passing a dot to string because textbox is not available here. B dot to string. Now this value passing data access layer. So now I am going on data access layer, and here we have to database connectivity. So first of all I am creating here using system. I add one library using system.data.sql client, and here we have to create one object. I have to take path, database path. This connection string is my database path, and I paste over here. Now here I have connection close. Here you have to pass SQL command cmd is equal to con.create command. cmd.command type is equal to command type dot text. cmd.command text is equal to, here we have to pass select query, select star from login, where username is equal to
my username and password both are varchar, so I have to pass single, double, double, single, and between that I have to pass plus plus sign. Here I pass, no, t1.text is not available, so I have to pass over here a.toString, and password is equal to, I have to pass b.toString. Now I have to use cmd.execute non-query. After that I pass data table, SQL data adapter, now da.fill. Now I'm declaring one integer variable here, integer COU, and pass default value. Now COU is equal to dt.rows .ground .toString, and convert this value to integer, convert .to int 32. Now I have to return this COU variable from this data access layer to presentation layer, so I write over here like this, return COU. Now I return this COU variable. COU variable is an integer, so I have to pass over here like this, public void. I removed void and I use integer because I am returning this integer type value. Now I get this here, so again I passed here return, and here integer. Now in presentation layer I also declare one COU1, and I got COU1 value in this. COU1 is equal to, now I pass condition over here, if COU1 greater than 0, then response.redirect. I have to pass from one page to another, means if you are login, then you are forwarding one second page. Now I add already one default 2.sps, I add one page. Now in this default page I have to pass the response.redirect default 2.asps, set a startup page. If you want to give some, if username and password is wrong and you want to pass some message, then you can use one label over here. Label name is by default label, and you can set anywhere else. Error, I write like this message. You can use bad username or password or anything. Please wait until it's load. It takes such time to load. I passed over here username Amit and password I passed noble, and press this login button. Oh, you can see that now I am on default 2.asps. Now I enter wrong username password and press this button. Now you can see this, I am getting here error message. If you want to get this error message on label, then you have to pass like this, label 1 dot test is equal to error. So this way we can create your login page using MVC architecture. Thank you.